Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back today. So today's video is kind of gonna be a little bit of a quick one. Basically, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some of these looks I've been doing. I've been doing these like close-up, really graphic black eyeliner looks. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's linked down below. It's just Lucy Garland. Go follow me. I'm trying to get to 100,000. Let's make it happen. But yeah, I've been getting like a lot of comments, a lot of DMs from you guys asking how to create these eyeliner looks. So I just thought today I might just come on here again really quickly. These are really quick, easy eyes. They don't take very long. But basically I thought I'd do one style. I'm going to do this style on this eye and this style on this eye and run through with you guys and show you exactly how to create them, just to like give some tips and tricks. So what I'm going to do really quickly, I'm going to put on, actually I don't really know if I need to actually. Maybe I don't need to put on foundation. Do you reckon I need to put on foundation? Nah. Give me 1 second, I'm going to put on like a little bit of foundation. I don't need to. I really don't need to. Do I need to? No. Fuck it. Oh wow, I look a mess. Okay, so I was going to put on foundation, but that's got nothing to do with the look, so I decided against it, and I don't really want to put on foundation because it's not like a lot of fun, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So for this right eye, so let's do this right eye. So I'm just taking my eyeliner, trying to get as close to the camera as possible for you guys. Alright, so taking this eyeliner and starting with your eye open, create that first wing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring this in and stop right at that crease there. Right there. Okay. Okay, you got that? And that's pretty much it. Bring this in maybe just a little bit further. Alright, you see that? Now, I'm going to take my liner and just fill all this in. I'm going to bring this down here. You're just basically trying to like blend it out, you know, into here. Remember, this is all going to be black anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so basically that's what you're sort of starting with. Alright, now we're going to go in with our black shadow. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this smaller brush, just because the area that we're working in is quite small and it's quite detail oriented. Alright, so now this is just where you start to blend. Okay. Now how far in you want your blend, that's entirely up to you. Now you can take a bigger brush once you get in here and just use that to blend it out. Okay, you see that? Now what I am going to do, this is just like really about like going back in and figuring it out and what do you want to do and here and there. I'm going to go back in with our eyeliner. And I'm just making that top line a little bit higher. Maybe pointing it out a little bit as well. Now back in with your black, like the blackest eyeshadow you can find, the better, obviously. And just start patting that on. Okay, now what I do is I take a Q-tip and just wet it a little bit and just clean up all of these edges here. Okay. So then it's just as clean and as neat as possible. Alright, so then it just sits perfectly in your crease there. Alright, so that's how I did that one. Super easy. Alright, so there is that eye. Now we're just going to do a bit of mascara to finish it off. That's that. There is your eye. So that's the first one. Now let's move on to the second one. So for this next eye, let's get straight into this. So I'm going to take my liner again. And we're gonna start with a line. Can you see what I'm doing? Alright, now let's connect these. So this line was like super sleek, super thin. Okay, now I'm also bringing this in here, all the way down here, and then we're going to extend our inner corner. Alright, super dramatic. Alright, so there's your line. Ooh, so gorgeous. So now the most important part is just keeping this top line as clean and as sharp as possible, because this bottom line we're obviously going to come in and we're going to blend out with shadow. So, let's move on. Okay, so this next part is pretty important. You're going to want to take just a black eyeliner and just line your waterline. We just want everything to be black and sleek. Okay, you see that? Then do the top as well. Okay, gorgeous. Now, let's go in with some black shadow. So to begin with, the brush we're going to use is this tiny little smudge brush. This is the Marc Jacobs smudge brush. You can see it's really thin. It's tiny, tiny, tiny. Going with that same black eyeshadow. And we're going to start smudging. Now you don't want to go too crazy with the smudging because it can get out of hand pretty quickly. So just be careful. Alright, now you can go in with like a bigger brush. Just sort of lightly blend that out. Okay, so there you go, you're starting to get your line there. Okay, now the biggest thing again is the Q-tip. So taking that and fixing up your edges. And there is that. So just the tiniest bit of mascara over the top. Okay, and that is it. So there's your 2 graphic eyeliner looks. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please let me know in the comments what you thought, whether you liked that, whether that was helpful. I'd be happy to come back and like just do more really quick and easy how-to videos. You know, like might as well. But yeah, please let me know what you thought. Again, follow me on Instagram at Lucy Garland. I'm going to be doing more of these graphic eyeliner looks, just like, you know, here and there. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found that helpful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!